Hello everyone, today I am going to discuss the most important and interesting topic, chemical kinetics related overall activation energy calculation, overall pre-exponential factor calculation. I will give you some concept and some tricks, so please don't skip the video. Now, a reaction A reaction carried out A to F and reaction carried out 5-step reaction. This is 5-step reaction. Suppose this is 5-step reaction and reaction rate constant K1, K2, K3, K4 and K5 and activation energy EA1, EA2, EA3, EA4 and EA5. Calculate overall activation energy and giving rate equal to K1, K2, K5 by K3, K4 whole to the power half. Suppose this is B and this equation. So you calculate first rate equal to this K1, K2, K5 by K3, K4 whole to the power half into B, concentration of B. Now rate equal to, suppose this is K into concentration of B, where K equal to overall rate constant, K equal to K1, K3, K1, K2, K5 by K3, K4 whole to the power half. This is equation number 1. We know Arrhenius equation. K equal to A into e to the power minus EA by RT. This is rate constant, this is free exponential factor, this is activation energy, R equal to universal gas constant and T equal to absolute temperature. And both sides ln K equal to ln A into e to the power minus EA by RT. So this is ln A minus EA by RT. So ln K equal to ln A minus EA by RT. So ln K equal to ln A minus EA by RT. This is equation number 2. Now equation number 1, K equal to K1, K2, K5 by K3, K4 whole to the power half. Both side ln K equal to ln K1, K2, K5 by K3, K4 whole to the power half. So half front side half ln K1, K2, K5 by K3, K4. So half ln K1 plus this is multiplied, so addition ln K2 plus ln K5 and divided, so subtraction, so ln K3 minus ln K4. This is equation. So we know this equation ln K equal to ln A minus EA by RT, where ln K1 equal to ln A1 minus EA1 by RT, a constant temperature, and ln K2 equal to ln A2 minus Ea2 by RT, ln K3 equal to ln A3 minus Ea3 by RT, and ln K4 equal to ln A4 minus Ea4 by RT, and ln K5 equal to ln A5 minus Ea5 by RT. Now put this value K1, K2, K3, ln K1, ln K2. So ln K equal to ln K1, the half into ln K1 equal to ln A1 minus Ea1 by RT plus ln K2 means ln A2 minus Ea2 by RT plus ln K5 means ln A5 minus Ea5 by RT and minus ln K3. ln K3 means ln A3 minus ln A3 plus minus replace plus, so Ea3 by RT minus ln A4 plus Ea4 by RT. ln K equal to half into ln A1 plus ln A2 plus ln A5 minus ln A3 minus ln A4 and Ea by 2 others part, so Ea1 by RT minus Ea2 by RT minus Ea5 by RT plus Ea3 by RT plus Ea4 by RT. Now in ln K equal to half into ln A1, A2, A5 addition, so multiplied ln A1, A2, A5 divided by, this is minus, so divided, so A3 and A4 this part, this is ln part, and minus 1 by RT common, so Ea1 minus Ea2 minus, so plus, and plus Ea5 minus Ea3 minus Ea4. This equation number 2, we know ln K equal to ln A minus Ea by RT. So compare this equation and this equation. So ln A equal to, this is half into ln A1, A2, A5 by A3, A4, and Ea by RT equal to 1 by RT multiplied to 2RT into Ea1 plus Ea2 plus Ea5 minus Ea3 minus Ea4. So this is ln A1, A2, A5 by A3, A4 whole to the power half, and A equal to A1, A2, A5 by A3, A4 whole to the power half, and Ea equal to RT cancel, so half into Ea1 plus Ea2 plus Ea5 minus Ea3 minus Ea4, this equation. And derivation is not important. How to calculate this equation in tricks way. Now this is red equation, and calculate A. This A is P exponential factor and A overall P exponential factor, and this is overall activation energy. So tricks is that if k equal to some value, so some constant k1, k2, k3 by this, so activation energy, this equation total activation energy, and k1 substituted a1, k2 substituted a2, and so on. So remember k1 equal to a1, k2 a2, k2 k5 a5 by k3 a3 and k4 a4 whole to the power half. Same value k rate constant, a overall are same value, and EA calculation, the activation energy, overall activation energy calculation, EA equal to, this is the ln, like ln type. Ln type means half into this value, font site in ln case, ln half, so half into this multiplied addition, EA1 plus EA2 plus EA5, this K1 substituted by EA1, K2 substituted EA2, and like ln factor. So this is multiplied ln addition, and this is divided. So divided subtraction. So this is A3 minus EA5. This equation. Suppose another example, K equal to K1, K2 by 4 K3, and calculate A and calculate EA, the overall activation energy and overall T exponential factor. First, activation energy calculate, EA overall activation energy, this type ln, so ln this is multiplied, so EA1 plus addition EA2, K1 substituted EA1 and K2 substituted EA2, and divided minus, but remember this constant part ignore in activation energy calculation. So EA equal to EA1 into plus EA2 and divided subtraction EA3, not mention the constant value. So this is the equation of overall activation energy. And P exponential factor total means a K1 substituted A1 into K2 substituted A2 by 4 A3. This is the total active P exponential factor. Now another example, rate a constant K equal to K1 K2 by 2 K3 K4 whole to the power 3 by 2. Calculate EA equal to, first this is multiplied, so addition EA1 plus EA2 minus, now this is the power font side and substitution, so EA3, the rate constant 3 substituted EA3 minus EA4 and 2/3. This is the equation, overall activation energy calculation equation, but 2 does not consider, it is ignored part. Now let us most important example, please see on the screen. The decomposition of ethane follows the rate law minus dTT CH3 called concentration of CH3 equal to K into concentration of CH3 with rate constant K equal to K1 K3 K4 divided by K5 whole to the power 1 by 2, and where K1 K3 K4 are rate constant and various elementary step, the values ES in elementary step where EA1 equal to 350 kilojoule mole inverse, EA3 equal to 160 kilojoule mole inverse, EA4 30 kilojoule mole inverse, and EA5 equal to 10 kilojoule mole inverse. They calculate activation energy of overall reaction. So rate constant, this is rate constant. So EA equal to EA1, and this power font side half into EA1 plus EA3 plus EA4 minus this subtraction, so EA5. So half into EA1 value 350 plus EA3 160 plus this is 30 minus 10 kilojoule mole inverse equal to half 350 plus 160 plus 20 kilojoule mole inverse equal to half 350 plus 180 kilojoule mole inverse equal to 035 by 2 equal to 265 kilojoule mole inverse. So option B is the right answer. So option B is the right answer. Second example, a certain reaction proceeds in a sequence of 3 elementary steps with the rate constant K1, K2, K3. If the overall rate constant K overall of the reaction is expressed K overall equal to K3, K1, K2, K1 by K2 whole to the power half. The observed activation energy of the reaction. We know this is activation energy EA equal to EA3. This is multiplied, so EA3 plus half font side half into EA1, this K1 substituted EA1 minus because divided part into EA2 equal to EA3 plus half into EA1 minus half into EA2. This the option D is the right answer. The option D is the right answer. Third example, for a complex reaction A to product EA1 giving EA1 equal to 180 kilojoule mole inverse, EA2 equal to 80 kilojoule mole inverse, EA3 equal to 50 kilojoule mole inverse. And the overall rate constant K is related to individual rate constant by equation K equal to K1, K2 by K3 whole to the power 2 by 3 and calculate activation energy overall reaction. So we know activation energy EA equal to this is multiplied, so and power font side, so 2/3 first into EA1 K1 substituted E1 plus multiplied, so EA1 plus EA2 minus this is divided part, so subtraction minus EA3 and 2 by 3 value EA1 value is 180 plus EA2 80 minus this is 50, so 2/3 into 180 plus 30 equal to 2/3 into 210 equal to 70 equal to 140. So option D is the right answer. So next day I will discuss more conceptual video, and stay with me and like, share, subscribe. Thank you.